I started changing all my suspension parts over to Rubicon Express because it was just a hodgepodge and mix match, homemade bastard pack stuff. And so here's what I put on and what I think of them. Very happy with Rubicon Express. Alright, so this is like take 100. My control arm. Bought these Rubicon Express control arms. Let's see if I can get it to flex here. You can stick a screwdriver in there and get it to move. But it's supposed to twist as the axle flexes to relieve stress on it, but it kind of freaks people out who are not familiar with it to see something cockeyed and cattywampus. Also my Rubicon Express coil springs I put on seem to be doing pretty good. They're a little stiffer than I would like, but they still do good. I got my Rubicon Express 3.5-inch leaf springs. With my Daystar shackle. To give me 4 inches. On the Rubicon Express track bar with the drop bracket. And very good experience with everything except my bracket here came loose. I'm not quite sure if that's Rubicon Express fault or if it's my own. So I put Loctite on the bolts and dogged them down, and we'll see if they come loose again. But I've been wheeling this thing more than I've ever wheeled it before, and I've been wheeling it harder than I've ever wheeled it. And I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with everything.
Say Nick, where can I get all this cool Jeep stuff?
I'm glad you asked, Lucy. You can get all these Jeep parts and many more at Route 16. They have competitive pricing with great customer service. And I'm not paid to say that. I'm just a happy customer.